Okay, so here we have a little well plate with all of these little wells where we're going to do our little reactions today, and we're just using a well plate instead of beakers so we can do all 12 of these reactions and see what we need to see but not have to clean up a whole 12 beakers. So all we're looking for here is where a precipitate, a surprise solid, is formed. As you might be able to see, all of the solutions we're using are solutions perfectly dissolved. Almost looks like it's water in here, except it's not. It's zinc chloride. Now, my bottles are labeled, but you can also see the labels on the table telling you where I'm going to be putting everything. So I'm just going to start by filling in my columns. We're just doing these first 2 rows with each of our substances. Just putting a little bit in each. And we're not expecting to see anything happen here yet because we haven't mixed anything. But when I come back with the 2 chemicals to fill in each of these rows, we should start seeing some of these turn into precipitates and some of them not. And you could probably already predict which ones are going to be precipitates or not, but we're about to see that happen. So this is our silver nitrate. Go back for a little bit more to finish this out. Just to make sure we're getting that there. And then our NaCO. Don't worry, I will get you a closer look at this in just a moment. Okay, that's all the reactions that we are going to see happen. Get you a little bit more of an overhead view here. And just in case you're worried you can't see anything because of the table being black. Here's all that same stuff on a white piece of paper, but because most of the stuff we're seeing be formed is white, then I think that the contrast of the black lab table gets us the best view. So go ahead and write some quick observations of these precipitates that you did see form. Analyze what substances that we saw mixed together tended to form precipitates or tended to not form precipitates. And then your last task is to write 3 net ionic equations for 3 reactions that form precipitates. And I'm pretty sure we're only seeing 3 here. So you need to write the reactions formed for those 3 precipitates. Let me know if you need any help.